Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I am simply going to teach you how you can delete your TikTok account. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your TikTok account. Finally, once you have done that, on the bottom right you want to tap on profile. And finally, once you have done that, on the top right you want to click on this triple line icon, and now click on settings and privacy. Once you have done that, simply click on manage account, and down here there is going to be a button that says deactivate or delete account. Click on that. Finally, once you have done that, it's going to ask you why are you leaving TikTok. You can simply go ahead and choose any and then click on continue. And now you're going to be on this page right over here, where by simply check marking this box and clicking on continue, your account is going to be deleted. So it is as simple as that. I'm not going to go ahead and delete my account. All you have to do is just click on continue after this, and your TikTok account is going to be deleted within 30 days. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.